Hello everyone, it's me, and I'm gonna do something, and I'm gonna ask, and you can answer after you watch the video. You see these onions? Okay, I'm gonna cut this here, right here, put it in here. I'm gonna put it in my sink, and I'm gonna wash it off. But prior to me, I'm gonna use it, but I would like someone to let me know, is that okay to do? Because I don't know, but I said, although I have a lot of onions, if I'm growing this one right here, is it going to be something I can do on a regular basis to continue to have onions and not have to buy any? In the meantime, I'm going to cut up my green peppers, my whatever these are. I think they're green peppers, but they're yellow and orange. I'm going to cut up my veggies and I shall return. Just in case you wanted to know, I didn't eat much today, just some chicken nuggets, and I'm not really interested in a big meal. I was gonna put some salmon in this thing, but I'm not gonna eat that, so I'm gonna just take off some of this some kind of ham. Some kind of ham. And I'm gonna mix that. It's about 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna eat a little bit now, and then before I go to bed, I'm gonna eat a little bit because I need protein. But I probably drink a milk. So, and don't laugh because what I'm eating. I'm not cooking a recipe or anything. I'm just cooking what I want. Just cooking what I want. You know what? I gotta turn it up. I get so tired of getting scared that I'm gonna burn my food up. You know what I mean? There you go. Sizzle, baby. Sizzle. I have been having so much energy. I haven't had a nap all day, boys and girls. No nap, no nap, no nap, no nap. And I'm having no naps because I've been eating more vegetables. So although I don't like vegetables, I gotta eat them. Gotta eat them. So it is what it is. I wanted a hamburger today, but I was like, ooh, no, 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 no hamburger, not today. Mm-mm, not today. Now, the only sad thing about this meal is the fact that this right here causes me a major, okay, let me put my glasses on. This causes me a major. But you know what? It looks like it's a lot of salt, but it's not. But unfortunately, unfortunately, you know when the spices are on the bottom of the pan and you want to get it all in your food? Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, that's perfect. I just think I need a touch of oil in there, just a touch. Just a touch. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I just want a little bit of like color on my veggies and stuff. I'm gonna pause the video while this cook a little bit. If I get tired and need to sit down, I'm just gonna stop the video and then just let the food rest a few minutes. And I have this, I don't know what type of cucumber this is. I'm assuming it's a cucumber. I just washed it off. But this is going to be in my pot as well. Oh, my freaking... Jeez. I'm not sure, but I hope I'm not supposed to throw this away, because I'm not going to. I don't believe Cora would throw it away, so I'm eating it. I might put that in the trash, but that's about it. Uh-oh, something's burning. I turned it up because the blaster thing wasn't working right. Dang, now something's burning. Oh, I thought something was burning. Maybe not. I'm gonna eat regardless because it's been a couple hours. One of the downfalls to not having a stomach that growls, when you don't feel like eating, you just don't eat. But I have to do 30 minutes of my exercise tonight, and I need some form of energy. Coral is called Chef Man. CHEFMAN. Chef Man. I absolutely love that. And I gotta wash laundry. I can't believe I'm eating vegetables like this. Woo! Who would have known? take my picture for my Facebook group. I haven't been on Facebook in a while. So I'm so thankful to be leaving on that site. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I love mushrooms. Ooh, I used to hate mushrooms because they look like dirt. And then one day I said, let me try them things. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. I never used to be able to eat pepper. Green peppers was gross to me. I used to get heartburn and stuff. I don't get that anymore. Mm, mm. 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 I'm gonna stop. I'm trying to stop anyway. I didn't bite my lip at all today, and I realized why. Because I barely ate. A few minutes ago, I felt myself about to chew my lip. I don't want to do that tonight. It actually healed. I love this little bowl. This little bowl is perfect for somebody who wants to eat a small amount of food. Mm. Would you believe that when I eat, even though I eat by myself, it doesn't feel like I'm eating by myself because I'm eating with YouTube? Tell you the truth. Oh, I'm going to sit down for like 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash my clothes for today. It's probably going to be midnight before I wash my clothes. But it's okay. Oh, oh my goodness. Well, this right here is cabbage or what? Carrot chips. And this is I don't know. Something that might be Spanish or a different language, but this is some type of organic carrots. This is what I'm probably gonna cook tomorrow. I gotta put it down to the bottom so I can remember, but I'm not gonna lie to you boys and girls. Oh, my stomach is so full. So full. And you know what? I normally don't eat till I'm full. I don't like to feel like this. I don't like to feel full at all, but I kid you not. I can barely stand up. I've been moving and shaking all day. No nap, no nothing, and my legs are killing me. But I'm watching this TV show. I'm watching this TV show, and I gotta get a few more of the series. I also want to see this show on Netflix. I have to beg somebody their password because Jamie Foxx is on there telling what happened when he was going through what he was going through. Oh my goodness, my face is getting terrible. I think I need to stop losing weight. You know when you lose too much weight, your face get raggedy all up in here.
See that? No, 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 no. I'm about to eat me 5 Snicker bars. Yes. Oh, I'm about to eat me 5 Snicker bars. Oh my goodness. I am so tired. But oh, I'm so tired. It is a wonderful thing to have a chair to sit in. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for watching my video. But I must end it now because I'm sitting in this room. This room is not this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.